Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this Hey Julie filter on TikTok. So this is the filter. Sorry, I can't play the music here because it might be a copyright strike, so there is some music here. Okay, so this is the filter. To get this effect you can go to discover and you can search for Hey Julie. Okay, go to hashtag. Now go to the Hey Julie hashtag. So here you will see many video with this effect. Now tap on any video you want, and at the bottom left corner of the screen you will see this effect icon. You just have to tap on the effect icon and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see the record button. You can tap on this record button and likewise you can use this effect. And if you are not getting the effect like this, what you can do, let me go back. Okay, what you can do, you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see Here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap on this effect icon and open it with TikTok. You will be directed to the effect page again. Now here tap on this record button at the bottom of the screen, and likewise also you can use this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.